Alright, so in the event that you do get a violations from the TikTok shop and you want to have the best chance of fighting it, here are the 4 ways that can help you fight your violations besides submitting the usual appeal. So this is really good information, and I actually got this from the TikTok shop affiliate subreddit. This is the subreddit's name, so in case you want to go ahead to follow them as well. So let's say you have tried to submit your appeal in the typical way and are not getting any luck reaching anyone that can help you. Here are the 4 other ways that you could try in order to increase your chance to be able to reach someone who could help you potentially overturn your violation. So here is the first way. So from your profile page, you can go to settings and then go to privacy and then go to report a problem. And then here is where you can submit your ticket. The next one is that you can go to the account standing page. So the account standing page here, and then you can click on see details. And then after you click on that, you should be able to see a contact us link here. And this is another way that you could try to contact them. The next one is from your TikTok shop creator page. You can tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you can tap chat with a live agent. So you should be able to see the chat with us button here. And if the agent cannot help, then you can choose to submit a ticket option, which is just beneath it. And the last one, you can go to tiktok.com/legal/report/feedback, and then you can go ahead to submit your feedback using this form.